Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we have talked about this a few weeks ago as some ex user decided to basically post a couple of false info about a service in Windows. So the service in question was the Windows Health and Optimized Experiences. This is the WHESVC. The service is there running in the background in Windows. And his claims were that basically it was sending data every 15 minutes to Microsoft to spy on us and so on and so on. And it turns out that it's not really true. Microsoft actually came forward saying, no, this is not at all what is happening. And yes, it does have some information every 15 minutes, but it is stored locally on your PC, not sent to Microsoft. Now, somebody decided to take a closer look. A security researcher, a developer actually, that is Xiu-Shen Li. Xiu-Shen Li has decided that he would take a look and reverse engineer the service to see what is it doing. And this is the full report from him. I will share this link with you guys if you want to go and read in detail exactly what's happening. The first thing that he says, and this is why this title is here, is the performance optimizer is more capable than it needs to be. And that's one of the findings of him reverse engineering this Windows and Health optimized experiences. It can do a host of things. It can modify the registry. It can actually modify drivers. It can actually do requests to go on some HTTPS website and so on. So it can link to the internet. And so it might seem to be, oh, yeah, okay, it's spying on us and it's really, really bad. The information that comes out of what he's actually seen while it's working is that it pretty much does what Microsoft had said a few weeks ago, that it's there to simply, get all the information needed that, if there crashes, if your PC is sluggish, things like that, it will gather information so that it can basically know what's happening, and the telemetry can maybe check out why is it happening, why are you having crashes, why did this service freeze. It's essentially a piece of a software that runs in this service that is simply there to try and pinpoint what problems are when they are occurring. What I also notice is that unless your PC has something that doesn't go right, it doesn't really do anything, doesn't log much. It logs and it starts doing things when it sees, for example, your PC getting slow or a app that crashed, things like that. And even internal apps or services that you might not notice that have crashed, but they have in the background without affecting your Windows operating system. What he says, yeah, it's capable of more, and it's pretty powerful and capable of a lot more than what it maybe should do. But at the same time, he says, in all of the observations that he made, the app does not do anything suspicious. It's really there to just check out what's happening when something goes wrong or when your PC doesn't work well. It rarely connects to Microsoft servers. From what you've seen, is the most of the information is kept in a log on the PC itself. So every 15 minutes, yes, it does write something, but it writes on your PC. It doesn't send it to Microsoft at all. And so this information is probably also what's gathered when your PC crashes, and then there's some diagnostics data that's being sent out. So from his point of view as a developer and doing some reverse engineering on the service, he's not really worried about, anything bad going on with this, and it is not spying on you. It really, its purpose and what it actually does from what he sees is simply gather information about your PC when something seems to not go totally right. Anyways, you can go and read his own report on all of this in his blog. I'm going to share this link to the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.